Ayan, fried chicken po muna tayo ngayon. Ayan, inspired by Kanto Chicken po yan. Ayan, yung pag-marinate po namin dyan at pagluto, inspired by Kanto Chicken. Ayan, ang ating chicken menu for today. Sarap po niyan, crispy-crispy. Ayan po ang recipe ng aking asawa. Ayan. Kanto chicken. At syempre, pag may fried chicken, may gravy. Ayan yung ating homemade gravy. Ayan. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Please like and share and subscribe na rin po. Ingat po tayong lahat.